Mahabharata always have great lessons to contribute. They are called Sanatana. That means the stories and the lessons have got its relevance throughout the life of humanity exists in this world. One such story which may be relevant in today's context is when people are dying around us, those who are living, they think that we are going to be permanent here. It's only somebody else who is dying. When somebody gets COVID, we think that I am not affected, only the other person is affected. There is a drishtantam, there is a story, there is a lesson, there is a message from Mahabharata in this context. Yaksha Prashna, all of you know that Dharmaputra's all brothers were caught by Yaksha. Well, they were going for fetching water, and Dharmaputra goes, and Yaksha says that I will relieve all your brothers and then give you water only if you answer few questions. These lessons are one of the best lessons and which can be applied in humanity, and says that in what level you are will tell you what you are thinking. Even when there are problems around your house, around your life, around your thought process will always be at the highest level. When Dharmaputra was in real trouble, the thoughts were asked by Yaksha, the first one, what are you thinking now? Then he said, I am thinking about the cosmology, how the solar system is working, how the earth is going around the sun, how is it becoming dark and night and day. All these are what he is thinking. He like to know that. That is what he is thinking. One of the best question was, what is most surprising? What is Ashcharyam? What is puzzling you? In the context of today's life, this answer is quite useful because Dharmaputra says, what is Ashcharyam? ഓരോരുത്തരായി കലനൂർക്കു കടക്കവേ ശേഷിപ്പോർ സ്ഥിരമെന്നോർപ്പു എന്താശ്ചര്യമതിൽ പരം. When people die, I think that I am permanent here is the most ashcharyam, most surprising thing. It's true when somebody gets COVID, we think that we don't get it, we are not affected by this. That thought is the most surprising thing. Therefore, our Mahabharata story has got lot of message for any time, anywhere, in any situations.